Want to work as a caregiver in the US? This guide shows you the real, official steps. No scams, no shortcuts. Learn how to apply directly to verified employers, avoid fraud, and use GlobalHealthJobs.ai to manage your applications safely. Let's unlock your American dream, step by step together. There is no special U.S. caregiver visa. Don't fall for scams. Most caregivers use the EB-3 green card for permanent jobs or the H-2B visa for temporary work. Always check official sources for the latest rules. Choosing the right path is your first step to success. There is no special easy caregiver visa for the U.S. That's a myth. Beware of scams promising quick H-1B or tourist visa conversions. The real options are the EB-3 green card for permanent roles and the H-2B for temporary seasonal jobs. Always check official sources and protect yourself from misinformation. Now that you understand the real visa pathways, let's explore why the United States is actively seeking caregivers from around the world. The demand is not just high, it is massive and growing every single day. The primary driver of this need is a major demographic shift. The baby boomer generation, a large segment of the U.S. population, is aging, leading to a historic increase in the number of seniors who require assistance with daily living, medical monitoring, and companionship. This has created a critical shortage of qualified and dedicated caregivers across almost every state, from bustling cities to quiet suburban towns. This isn't a temporary trend. Projections from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics consistently show that home health and personal care aide roles are among the fastest-growing occupations in the entire country. U.S. families and healthcare systems are struggling to find enough local workers to fill these essential positions. As a result, more and more employers, including large corporate care home chains and smaller independent agencies, are turning to the international labor market and are willing to sponsor visas to bring in the talent they desperately need. This creates a powerful window of opportunity for skilled and compassionate caregivers like you. The demand extends beyond just elderly care. There is also a significant need for caregivers to support individuals with disabilities, patients recovering from surgery, and those with chronic illnesses. This means that opportunities are diverse, ranging from working in a structured environment like a skilled nursing facility or an assisted living community to providing one-on-one support in a private home. This variety allows you to find a role that not only matches your skills, but also fits your preferred work setting. The critical shortage means that employers are often more flexible and more motivated to complete the complex visa sponsorship process for the right candidate. For an international applicant, this high-demand environment is a significant advantage. It means your skills are not just wanted, they are essential to the functioning of the U.S. healthcare ecosystem. Employers are not just offering a job, they are looking for reliable, long-term partners in care. This gives you, the applicant, more leverage and a better chance of securing a sponsored position compared to many other professions. Your willingness to fill these crucial roles makes you an incredibly valuable asset to any U.S. healthcare provider, and that is the foundation upon which your successful immigration journey will be built. Working as a caregiver in the United States offers more than just a visa. It provides a stable career with tangible benefits and a clear path for professional growth. While salaries can vary significantly based on the state, the specific employer, your level of experience, and your certifications, the earning potential is solid. Most caregivers, home health aides, and certified nursing assistants can expect to earn between $15 and $25 per hour. In states with a higher cost of living or in specialized roles like memory care, these rates can be even higher. This provides a reliable income that allows for a comfortable standard of living. Furthermore, many caregiver positions offer opportunities for overtime pay, which can substantially increase your overall earnings. Employers in the United States must adhere to strict labor laws, which means you are legally entitled to be paid extra for any hours worked beyond the standard 40-hour week. This is a crucial aspect of financial stability and something that is not always guaranteed in other countries. The combination of a competitive base wage and the potential for overtime makes caregiving a financially viable profession, enabling you to support yourself and your family, whether they are with you in the United States or back home. One of the most exciting aspects of a caregiving career in the United States is the potential for upward mobility. The healthcare industry offers a well-defined career ladder for those who are ambitious and willing to pursue further education and training. You can start as a caregiver or home health aide, and with experience and additional certification, become a certified nursing assistant. From there, you can progress to become a certified medication aide, an LPN, or even pursue a degree to become a registered nurse. Many employers offer tuition assistance programs to help their dedicated staff advance their careers. Finally, the visa pathways themselves offer different kinds of stability. The EB-3 visa, as a green card route, provides the ultimate security, permanent residency for you and your eligible family members. This means you can live and work in the United States indefinitely, with the freedom to change jobs after fulfilling your initial commitment to your sponsoring employer. Even the temporary H-2B visa, while not permanent, offers stability for its duration and provides invaluable U.S. work experience that can open doors to other opportunities in the future. This combination of financial reward, professional growth, and long-term stability makes the United States a top destination for career-minded caregivers. The hiring window for visa-sponsored roles is open now, with deadlines fast approaching. Care facilities, home care agencies, and private duty employers are urgently seeking candidates for roles starting soon. Don't wait. Apply now, even if sponsorship isn't listed. Present yourself professionally, and you could be their next hire. In the US, caregiver roles have specific titles and duties. A caregiver or resident aide assists with daily living activities in group homes, focusing on personal support and safety. Home health aides work independently in private homes, handling daily care, light housekeeping, and building trust with clients. Certified nursing assistants, CNAs, need state certification and perform more clinical tasks in hospitals or care facilities, making them highly sought after for EB-3 sponsorship. Specialized roles like memory care aide or rehab tech require targeted experience. Identify which role matches your skills to tailor your application for U.S. employers. The EB-3 visa is the main path for international caregivers to gain permanent residency in the U.S. It covers roles like caregiver and home health aide, but you need a full-time job offer from a U.S. employer to start. The process is employer-driven and involves proving no qualified U.S. workers are available. The EB-3 offers long-term security for you and your family, leading to a green card and eventually citizenship. The main challenge is the wait time, which can be years due to annual limits and country backlogs. Patience and clear communication with your employer are essential throughout this journey. The EB-3 process starts with a permanent job offer from a U.S. employer. The employer gets a prevailing wage determination, then completes the PERM labor certification to prove no U.S. worker is available. After PERM approval, they file Form 1140 to classify you as an eligible immigrant. You wait for your priority date to become current, which can take years for some countries. Once current, you complete consular processing, attend a visa interview, and, if approved, receive your immigrant visa. Arriving in the US, you become a lawful permanent resident and start your new job. Stand out by being job-ready. Get certifications in first aid, basic life support, dementia care, and safe patient handling. Use U.S. healthcare terminology on your resume to show you understand industry standards. If possible, obtain a U.S. CNA certification for a major advantage. Keep your documents organized: passport references, vaccination history, and police clearance. Respond quickly to employer and attorney requests. Your efficiency can speed up your case. Professionalism and preparation make you a top choice for sponsorship. The H-2B visa offers a quicker, temporary way for caregivers to work in the U.S. It's for short-term, non-agricultural jobs, ideal for seasonal or peak demand roles in care facilities. processing is much faster than the EB-3, letting you gain US work experience within months. However, it's strictly temporary, up to 3 years, doesn't lead to a green card, and is highly competitive due to annual caps. Target employers with a history of H-2B hiring and be flexible to maximize your chances. H-2B starts with the employer getting a temporary labor certification and filing Form 129. If selected in the visa lottery, you apply at a U.S. embassy and must show intent to return home after your job ends. Dependents can join on H-4 visas but cannot work. The main benefit is fast entry and U.S. experience. The downside is the temporary nature and strict employer tie. Focus your search on experienced H-2B employers and be ready to act quickly. Flexibility and preparedness are your best assets for this pathway. Your U.S. job application starts with a clean, concise CV and a focused cover letter. Tailor both for American employers and ATS software. Highlight your skills, certifications, and use professional healthcare language. Save as PDFs, use a professional email, and proofread carefully. These documents are your first impression. Make them perfect to stand out. Once your CV and cover letter are ready, search job boards using keywords like caregiver, HHA, CNA, or medtech. Always be honest about your work authorization and upload your documents as PDFs. For email applications, use a clear subject line and keep your message brief. Track every application to stay organized and in control. U.S. employers want to see your practical skills, safety awareness, and commitment to protocols. Be ready to discuss de-escalation, safe transfers, infection control, and your flexibility for shifts. Clearly state your need for sponsorship and your dedication to a long-term career in the U.S. Confidence and clarity make you stand out. To ensure your visa application process moves smoothly, prepare your essential documents well in advance. Organize, scan, and have them ready to demonstrate your seriousness and efficiency. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 12 months beyond your intended entry date. You will also need your official birth certificate. Provide marriage and divorce certificates if applicable. Gather documents related to your background and work history. Obtain police clearance certificates from every country lived in for 6 months or more since age 16. Start this process early as it can take weeks or months. Employment reference letters must be on official company letterhead, signed, and detailed. They should corroborate your CV. Vague letters are not enough. Compile a complete vaccination record. Include proof of MMR, varicella, DAP, and hepatitis B vaccinations. Be prepared for a TB test. Having your vaccination history ready will save time. It shows you are prepared for health requirements. Collect all educational and professional certificates. This includes high school diplomas, college degrees, and caregiving certificates. Certifications in dementia care, first aid, CPR, or safe patient handling are important. Work closely with your employer's legal team. They will ask for many forms and documents. Provide items promptly in a clean, legible digital format. Keep copies of everything you submit. Want to stand out? Get current basic life support and first aid certifications, pursue micro-certifications in dementia care, and highlight your documentation and communication skills. Show flexibility, be open to rural jobs and tough shifts. If possible, earn a US CNA license. These steps make you a top pick for sponsors. As you pursue your dream of working in the United States, beware of recruitment scams. These schemes exploit your ambition and take your money. Promises of special caregiver visas or H-1B visas for caregiver roles are scams. The H-1B is for specialized occupations requiring a bachelor's degree. Legitimate employers invest in their future employees. Be wary of anyone suggesting you enter the U.S. on a tourist visa to find work. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Protect yourself from scams by only signing official job offers on company letterhead, verifying employer details, and researching online. Never accept informal offers or pay fees to personal accounts or via gift cards. Use tools like the scam checker on GlobalHealthJobs.ai to confirm legitimacy and stay safe. Navigating the U.S. job market can be overwhelming. That's why we built GlobalHealthJobs.ai, your secure all-in-one platform for U.S. caregiver jobs. Apply directly to verified employers, filter for visa sponsorship, and receive smart job alerts. Plus, access clear visa guidance and resources, empowering you to land your dream job safely and confidently. GlobalHealthJobs.ai uses powerful AI tools to fast-track your job search. Instantly generate ATS-optimized CVs and cover letters, practice interviews, and get real-time feedback. The AI scam checker protects you from risky offers, giving you peace of mind. And with the AI mentor chat, you have expert support every step of the way. Leverage these tools to make your U.S. caregiver journey safe, fast, and successful.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Want dedicated support to make your U.S. application stand out? Our mentorship upgrade gives you expert guidance, CV overhaul, custom cover letters, sponsor targeting, and interview coaching, personally managed by our team. The first 100 candidates get the full 2-month program for just £49.99. Ready to invest in your career? Reply with "I want mentorship" to get started. Becoming a caregiver in the U.S. is real and within your reach. Build your U.S.-style CV, apply directly to verified employers, and always protect yourself from scams. Stay patient and persistent. Your skills are valued here. Like, subscribe, and share to help others. We wish you every success.